welcome back to the channel. Today we will be working on the F30 335 and it will be our first official mod. Alright, so the first official mod on my new to me F30 335i are these. These are LED turn signals for the front end. Thanks to the guys at Unique Style Racing, USR, they graciously sent me a set of these lights to try out and do a full review on for them, and so I'm really excited to get these on. I think it'll really make the front end look a little bit newer and more up to date, and so we're gonna go ahead and show you guys that whole install process. So here's a close-up of what these new LED bulbs look like. They're basically four-sided, 3 LEDs on each side, and there's 2 on the top there. So I think these are actually gonna be really, really bright. They should be basically a plug and play. Pop the old bulbs out, put the new ones in, put everything back together. Should be a quick and easy install, and we'll show you the before and after. These are the OEM halogen bulbs. Nothing too crazy. As you can see, they kind of fade on, fade off. Not super bright or anything, but I guess they get the job done. See if we can turn these lights off. Here's what they look like as the daytime running lights with the angel eyes on. Okay, let's get this install started. So we're going to start on the passenger side first. First thing you want to do is turn your wheel as far as you can possibly go. That way you can reach your hand in here. So we don't need to remove the bumper, remove the wheel, or anything like that. We can actually access the back of the turn signal through the wheel well. So here's a closer look up of the inside of the wheel well here. As you can see, this is the panel that I'm talking about that you need to remove. So there's a little clip up here on each side. You kind of pop those down and the whole flap kind of pops out. All you gotta do is stick your hand in here. So there's that. As you can see, there's a couple little tabs here. So there's a little lip right here, this section here that holds into the rest of the wheel well. So you gotta push these tabs down pretty hard on both sides, and then the bottom part just slides right out, so you lift up. But there you go. That gets us access to the back side of the headlight. Here's the driver's side here. I'm gonna see if I can try to do it with the wheel turned this way and see which way is a little easier. I don't have as much room on this side, but there we go. Pops out just like that. Since I'm not taking the wheel off, it might be a little bit hard to show you where the exact bulb location is, but I'm going to zoom in here and show you that. Okay, right here you'll see this gray piece right here. This is actually the light bulb. It's behind this part of the fender well, so it's really hard for me to show you guys without getting completely inside the wheel well itself. But there is a little gray piece right here. All you need to do is turn it and the bulb will come right out. So pretty easy to do. Stick your hand in here like this, and then we're going to turn it counterclockwise. And then pull straight out, and there's the bulb. Pretty simple. Alright, so here's a comparison of the new USR bulb versus the OEM bulb on the left. And what I like to do normally is wear some gloves or use something protective, that way you don't get your oils from your fingers all over the bulbs. But in this case I'm going to use this paper towel here. But all you need to do, there's a little notch here on this side, a little notch here on this side, and one on the other side. So all you need to do is grab the bulb itself, give it a little twist, and it'll pop right out. And then I'm going to take the new LED bulb, and same kind of thing. It should go in one way, just like that. So the bulb's got these little nubs on it right there, and they fit right in here, this nub. So you gotta line up the nubs, push it in all the way, give it a little turn, and voila, there you go. Now we can put this back in the car. So the way this goes on the driver's side, the bulb you can see has got 3 of these little nubs here, 1 on this side and 2 on this side. So the 2 on this left side here are actually going to be facing the inside of the car. So it's going to go in just like this, and then you're going to turn it. So line everything up. Make sure it pushes all the way in, as far as it'll go. And you turn it, tightens it into place. And I think we're good to go. Okay, before putting the cover back on, I want to make sure that everything works. I just hit the flashers. We're going to take a comparison here. Oh wow, that's way brighter. You can already tell. I mean, look at that. It's not even dark outside yet, and this one is way brighter. And as you can tell, the left side, this one here, is actually the OEM bulb, and this is the new LED from USR. Huge difference in person. This probably doesn't do it justice, but you can tell it's the LED because it flashes on and off, on, off, on, off. Whereas the halogen has more of a fade. Fades on, fades off. So there's the stock one. And there's the new LED bulb. Much, much brighter. There's no weird flickering or anything like that. No hyper blinking. Way brighter. We'll take a look at the dash, see if we've got any error lights, but I don't anticipate that we will. So much cleaner looking. Here we are on the inside of the car. We're gonna see if we have any weird error lights or anything. There's the hazards. Seems to be pretty good. Try turn signal. Pretty good there. Stock one on passenger side. Hazards again. I mean, just sitting from behind the wheel of the car, I know it's gonna be hard to see on camera here, but I mean, you can just tell this side is much brighter than this side. Huge difference in person. Here's a look with the angel eyes on and flashers. No weird hyper blinking. Very nice on off. And this is the stock side. USR LED. Stock. This is a comparison of the daytime running lights with the angel eyes on. USR LED on the right. OEM halogen on the left. OEM halogen. USR LED. So I'll put the cover back on this side. Now we can move on over to the passenger side, since So we've already got the cover off. It's gonna be the exact same process. Put your hand in there, twist the bulb, pull it out. Boom. Okay, got the new bulb on there. Same thing, the two nubs go on the inner part of the car. Line everything up. Make sure it's in all the way, twist it. So this is a close-up of what it looks like when it's not turned on. You can see it right there. Very nice. Let's test it, make sure it works before we put the cover back on. Wow, that's so much brighter, guys. Way better. No weird hyper blinking, no errors on the dash. Very, very bright. Looks great. Super pleased with that. Okay guys, one final look. There they are. USR LEDs on both. Very nice. All right guys, that about does it. Huge shout out to the guys at USR for sending me these LED bulbs. Really, really pleased with the way it looks. The car looks way newer and super happy with them. No error lights on the dash, no hyper blinking, no flickering, nothing weird like that. So highly recommend these guys. I'm also going to offer you guys a 10% off coupon code. It's in the description below. Feel free to reach out to USR if you've got any questions, or me. I'm happy to help you guys if you've got any questions with the install process or any questions with the LEDs itself. So definitely take advantage of the 10% off discount code, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.